Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Cut a half lemon and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the exposed flesh. Use the salted lemon as an abrasive and rub the copper bracelet firmly, but gently until the dark tarnish begins to lift. Work over a sink so you can rinse often. If tarnish persists, reapply salt or let the lemon juice sit for up to 5 minutes. Rinse the bracelet thoroughly with warm water and pat dry with a soft cloth within 1 minute to prevent water spots. This method cleans copper quickly, but avoid it on plated or delicate inlays. Combine 1 teaspoon baking soda with 2 teaspoons water to make a thick paste that will gently abrade tarnish without harsh chemicals. Using a soft toothbrush or cotton swab, apply the paste and scrub gently for up to 2 minutes per area, concentrating on crevices and pattern details. Rinse the bracelet thoroughly under warm water, then buff dry with a microfiber cloth to restore shine and remove any paste residue. For heavy tarnish, repeat once, but never scrub plated surfaces aggressively to avoid wearing the coating. After any cleaning, dry the copper completely and buff with a soft cloth within 1 minute to prevent water spots and quick retarnishing. Moisture accelerates oxidation. For longer protection, apply a thin coat of clear lacquer or a micro-thin layer of beeswax. Allow it to cure for 24 hours, then buff gently. This can keep the copper bright for weeks or months depending on wear. For storage, place the bracelet in a sealed plastic bag with an anti-tarnish strip or a small silica gel pack, and avoid.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.